Hi everyone, this is Jacqueline Scott with AEP 858. This is my Module 12, a data analysis protocol. So I think it's really important to establish the purpose when presenting something to the staff and teachers and administrators. So the purpose of a data analysis protocol is important to implement at the school and district level to assist administrators, teachers, and staff in effectively gathering and analyzing different types of data. And then in turn, that will drive decision making at the building level and into the classroom. So I thought it'd be useful to do more of a table. It's easier to read, it's easier to understand. So I have the 5 steps with the essential questions that need to be answered with data, and this will help create a school improvement plan. So we start off with step 1, where are we now? It gives teachers, staff, administrators the idea of what that includes, examples, and any initial thoughts they have. And step 2, where do we want to be? And again, examples, initial thoughts. Step 3, how did we get to where we are? And this is, identifying those gaps and the reasons for those gaps. And examples and initial thoughts. Step 4, how are we going to get to where we want to be? And this is our action plan and implementing it. And examples, initial thoughts. And then step 5 is what we are doing, making a difference. And that includes that ongoing evaluation, seeing if it's working and if we're growing and if we're improving. So then here is a visual. At the heart, at the center, is data-driven decision-making, and around it includes the school profile and purpose, data analysis, the action plan, and the progress, and showing how those are all connected. Here are my references. And then that brings me into how to collect this information and help teachers, staff, and administrators collect this data and have those conversations and have it go somewhere, and so that we're on the right track in making informed decisions, especially in the classroom. So what I did is, you can see I have 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade tabs down here because we are Trail Ridge Middle School. And first we set up the profile, and then we do iReady 3 times a year. We do fall, winter, and spring. So we talk a lot about the data, but we have nothing like this to capture all the data and then have those conversations. So this would be super helpful. Here we have annual typical growth, and it comes down to not yet, somewhat likely, and likely. And I just have a student example here, the projected growth and growth measure, and then it goes into the annual stretch growth on or above grade level, and then the domain. So right now I'm focusing on iReady reading, but we would do this for math as well, for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. For reading, we have vocabulary, comprehension literature, comprehension informational text, and it will tell you their scores, and then you can figure out the next steps. What exactly these different students need for instructional purposes? For instance, explore use of literary devices is a next step for this particular student. So we do that for 7th and 8th grade. Thank you for watching.